Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. You know that feeling when you're at a barbecue, you've had a few burgers and a bit of salad and you're not really hungry, but you fancy something sweet and fruity. Well, today on my Weber Q, I'm cooking one delicious dessert, grilled peaches with cinnamon butter.
In the bowl I have 3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, to which I'm adding 2 teaspoons of icing sugar, followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now mix well to combine all the ingredients until you have a nice soft creamy mixture. Over to my Weber Q. Fire it up and let it warm up while I get on with the next stage of preparation. It needs to be a medium to high heat, just over 200 degrees C. I have 2 lovely ripe peaches which need to be halved and stoned. To do this, I'm cutting all the way round the peach and then twisting the 2 halves, and then all I have to do is twist the stone and it comes away cleanly. And so to the second one. If the stone does not come out cleanly, in this case you may have to use a small paring knife, and this could be due to the fruit being a little unripe. As you can see, this one is perfectly ripe. Now paint the cut sides with a little olive oil. And it's onto the grill. Little flare up as the oiled peach is greeted by the hot grill. They need to cook for about 1 minute. Before I flip them, another painting with olive oil. Well, I thought I'd get more grill marks. Maybe a little press down with a spatula will help. It's a tiny bit better. So it's another minute's cooking for this side. If you're liking this video so far, give us a thumbs up, sub the channel, just click the button and don't forget to ding the bell. The peaches are off the grill. I've put a teaspoon of cinnamon butter in the centre of each one, and all they need now is a dollop of cream. And that is it. Delish.
Well, that is one delicious dessert, which brings us to the end of this video. So from me, the dude of the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.